How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. So if you have your password saved, you can search for your password in the password manager in your device. So in order to get to your password manager, you have to open up settings in your mobile device. Under settings, scroll down a bit, search for the option as Google and tap on Google. Tap on the profile name at the top and here tap on Google account just below your profile name. Once you land on this kind of interface, just below your profile name there is this menu bar. Swipe that to your left and tap on security. Under security, scroll down and there you have a section as password manager that you can see. Here you can find all your saved password. Tap on password manager and here you can find facebook.com. So here tap on it and you have to verify your device, and if you want to see your password, tap on this eye icon right here and there you can find your Facebook password. But in case if you are not able to find your password in the password manager, you can also search for your password in the browser saved password. Sometimes you may have logged into your account through the browser, so you can search for your password in browser saved password also. So for that you have to open up the browser in your device. Head towards the top right and tap on the three dot icon. Here tap on settings. Under settings there is Google Password Manager, tap on it. And here now you can find your Facebook password. Scroll down a bit and search for facebook.com. Again you have to tap on it and then verify that it's your device, and here now you can search for your password. So in this way you can see your Facebook password if you forget it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.